Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend maker trading indicator. Okay, so this started the downtrend right from this resistance zone, from this particular resistance zone, and of course gave us a downtrend signal, and of course a sell signal. Okay, so it has been selling since then, and of course it got to this support zone. Okay, it actually got to this support zone, to this particular support zone, and it was unable to break out from there, and of course it started an uptrend right from there, so till it got to this region, had a pullback, went back up again, and it has got into this particular spot. Okay, so guys, if it's unable to break out from here, so it will definitely go back into a downtrend, but once it breaks out into out from there, then it will go back, I mean it will continue with the uptrend and may likely get to this particular region. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still more of a buying opportunity until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, so that is very important. Let's take a look at that right from there. Okay, so this is still buying until it is unable to break out from there, so this might not be for long also. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and of course this particular asset went on downtrend from the resistance zone, came to an end at this point, and of course went back to an uptrend, and it has got into the resistance zone and was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. So we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000, and of course it has been on uptrend, more of an uptrend than a downtrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and of course guys, it is approaching this particular resistance zone right now. Okay, if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back fully on downtrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 500. It actually went on downtrend, got to this region, and of course was unable to go below that, so it started an uptrend right from there, got to this resistance, and if you should notice, it also got there around it, was unable to go above it, so it had a pullback, and of course it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying, but for now it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. This is volatility 75, and of course this had been on downtrend for a while, got to this region, had not been able to break out below it, so it's trying to go back on uptrend, and it is buying at the moment. However, it is finding difficult to break out from this particular resistance zone. Okay, from this particular resistance zone, it has been finding it difficult to break out from there. If it breaks out above it, it will buy more. If it does not, then it will come back down till it gets to this region, so we should take note of that. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying of opportunity than a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above that resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section, and if you love this video, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.